honorable chairperson, special guest, respected judges, the organizing committee, fellow participants, teachers, friends, and everyone present. First of all, I would like to sincerely thank the organizing committee for arranging this wonderful orientation program for career brand and orientation. My slogan for today's presentation is serving the nation through technology, which reflect my career goal and vision for contributing to the nation. Let me tell you a little about myself. I am Sanesh Balami, a sincere and honorable child of Mr. Somadur Balami and Mrs. Rita Balami, residing in Ward number 9, Doshinkali Municipality, Kathmandu. Currently, I am studying in class 9 at Sri Shiv Devi Secondary School. Being the student of government school, I have learned the values of discipline, perseverance, and setting a good example for my peers. I always work hard and try to improve myself academically and personally because I think that consistency can lead us towards success. On my way, I have thought about several career options. Some of them are IT engineer, software developer, e-government officer, technical civil servant, and AI assessor. Among them, I have chosen to be a technical civil servant. A technical civil servant is a government profession using technical and IT knowledge. I will work on IT system, e-governments, and public project. I will try to improve service for citizens using technology. In my view, I am a good fit for a technical civil servant because I have a strong interest in computer and technology. I enjoy solving problems with critical thinking skills, and according to me, I am hardworking and disciplined, which is very essential for this work. I also have a passion to serve Nepal and build my career here instead of going abroad and sitting there like others do. My roadmap to achieve my career goal are divided into 5 phases. The first phase is school level. I will focus on achieving strong result in SE and build foundation for higher studies. In the phase 2, which is plus 2 level, I will choose science stream in a local government college because it is financially affordable and build strong logical and analytical skills. In the phase 3, I will pursue bachelor degree in computer engineering, and beside from theoretical knowledge, I will gain practical skills in programming, networking, and database. I will also get internship in related field. In my fourth phase, I will complete my master degree in related field, specializing in artificial intelligence and cybersecurity. In the fifth phase, I will prepare for Lok Seva Ayog and become technical civil servant of Nepal. For my financial planning, the total expenses for my education up to master degree is estimated around 12 lakh from 14 lakh. My family can support me from 7 lakh to 9 lakh, and I will cover the rest with my alternatives including scholarship, part-time job, and skill-based work. For continuous self-development, I will always update myself for academic and career growth with current affairs, new technology, and understanding government policies. As a computer engineering technical civil servant, I can work in different fields including government IT, e-governments, digital service platforms, cybersecurity, and data management. Through this, I can contribute to different platforms like digital transformation, security, information system, technology-based public service. I can receive government salary and allowance up to 7 lakh from 11 lakh per year and get a secure job with promotion opportunities, pension, and training facilities. My income will support my family, professional growth, and social responsibility. The things that I can contribute in future to my countries are helping develop secure digital system, improve transparency and reduce corruption, support technology-driven policies, and for my community, I will apply technical solution to local problem and promote technology awareness and guide and motivate youth in my society. In conclusion, I want to say that computer engineering with civil servants is a future-proof career, and I will serve the nation through technology and innovation. With discipline, learning, and interagency, I am confident to achieve my goal. Once a poet, Suraj Thapalia, that honors the spirit of many says, "म राष्ट्र सेवक समर्पित मेरो गति, जनताको प्यास भरी सेवा मेरो प्रति." These lines are very familiar to me because I also dream of contributing to Nepal in the same way. Thank you and have a nice day.